Hey, 8th grade, got lesson 29. We're doing problems 1 through 20. Our learning target is I can write ratios. Good thing to write down your notes. So ratio is a comparison of two numbers by division. It's kind of a relationship between numbers. I love ratios. They make math a lot simpler. So for example, let's say we have 12 girls and 16 boys in the class. We want to write the ratio of girls to boys. We would write that as a fraction, 12 to 16, 12 GB. And then we're going to try to reduce that. So the number that goes into 12 and 16 is 4. 4 goes into 12 3 times. This is where our math facts come in handy. So there are 3 girls for every 4 goes into 16 4 times for every 4 boys. So that would be the ratio of girls to boys, or boys to girls if we wanted to flip that around. Same thing here. Let's say we have 9 girls and 15 boys. This would be 9G, 15B. A number that goes into both 9 and 15, the factor there is 3. And so 3 goes into 9 3 times, and it goes into 15 5 times. So there are 3 girls for every 5 boys in that class. Another comparison here. A 30-foot tree casts a shadow that is 18 feet long. What was the ratio of the height to the shadow? So we're going to put the height on top, so it's 30 feet. 30, I'm going to put H for height because they're both feet, and 18S for the shadow. And we want to write that in a ratio. So what goes into both 30 and 18? 3. I also know 6 does. 6 goes into 30 5 times. There's 5H. For every 6 goes into 18 3 times. And so there's 5 feet of height for every 3 feet of shadow. Likewise, if I read 15 pages in 30 minutes, how many pages can I read per minute? So keyword there, that's the division, is per minute. We want to try to figure out what 1 minute is. So we go 15 pages in 30 minutes. How many can I do in 1 minute? So in order to do that, we're going to have to divide by 30, which would be 15 over 30, which is 1/2. So I can go 1/2, 1 page per 2 minutes. Would be an easy way to see that, and then I can split that again into a 1/2 a page per 1 minute. Let's do number 1 real quick together. It says 1,000 pounds of grain were packaged in 5-pound bags. How many bags were there? Love it, love it, love it. So 1,000 pounds of grain. 1,000 pounds of grain. If I can spell and write today. 1,000 pounds of grain to 5 pounds bag. And that's what we need to make. So we can kind of picture a bunch of little bags. Well, I'm just going to kind of do this one in my head. I know 5 can go into 120 times, 5 times 20. And so if there's 20 and 100, well, I know there's 10 100s and 1,000. So that would be 20 times 10, which would be 200 bags. If I was not sure on that, I would have to do 1,000 divided by 5, which also equals 200 bags. Again, you're going to be doing 1 through 20. Please reach out to me if you need any help.